Nagalaw.
Okay, compare to sa bike mo. Iba ito.
Ate Aya. Natanggal yung tito. Sabi ni Ana. Wala.
Ay,
Sabi ni Mika. Kaya pala bilang.
Hindi na ate Diyos ba?
Laki!
oh my gosh.
What is that? Oh!
Ikaw mag-bite ka, bebe.
Okay, compare. This is my bite.
Wow, feeling petit.
Wow!
Perfect, pang commercial.
Thank you, Doc RFD.
Pang kanto.
Uy, grabe ka.
Sabi ka sa taga-kanto.
Uy!
Grabe ka. I love the kanto. Kanto. Kanto.
Wag.
Favorite natin yan. Anyways.
Next.
Yes. So, next is Sanford, California, San Francisco, California. Shout out. What was invented in San Francisco in 1849? A, the first jukebox. B, the first traffic light. C, the first fortune cookie.
I think it's the letter B. B. Letter B yan. Letter B yan.
Oh,
Hey.
Letter B yan. First traffic light. First traffic light. First traffic light.
Fortune cookie.
Ano po yung food dito?
It's yung San Francisco.
Oo nga.
They will
Ano
give
po
it
yung
to us,
food?
San Francisco.
Kalagay po.
Wala na, okay na yun. Tapos na yun.
Wait, Blooms, anong sagot?
I think it's B.
I think traffic light. That
Jukebox?
we think
Kasi colorful.
doesn't matter.
Blooms, help us.
Jukebox?
Fortune cookie. So, bubuksan natin yun, tapos may ano.
Si daw. Fortune cookie. Wait.
Na ako.
Totoo ba?
Parang hindi. Ano, Blooms?
Anong mapapanalo nandyan?
A raw.
Pwede yung ano yun.
Okay, A.
Depende sa
Blooms, anong sagot? You have the means. You have the power to search. Just help us.
San Francisco sagot? Ano ba?
Guess lang.
Naman sa ano.
The first jukebox. If ganyung answer mo,
Okay, let's count.
pagkakatiwalaan kita kahit mali pa yung sagot mo. So our answer is the first
Ay, anong answer niyo, girls?
A. The first jukebox. Sabi ni Kiro Keropi.
Kakantingin ka naman.
Hantingan Kiro Keropi. Shout out to you. Okay. A is our answer. Tama. Ayun no. Namabas na yung description. Fortune cookies were first made in San Francisco, inspired by Japanese crackers with hidden messages. Insert pictures. Akala ko rin. But,
So wala pong fortune cookie.
ay wala. It's okay.
Isa lang.
Hindi ka...
Ate. So next question.
Saan tayo mag-perform ulit?
Pwede ibalik po itong...
Sa San Francisco,
Pwede po i-trade.
paano ba yun? Graham
Kaya niyo po
Civic
ba kami tiisin?
Auditorium. This June 17, 2025. Ang laki talaga.
Grabe, ang laki niyan.
Meron bang...
Wow.
Graham.
Bam. Okay, next. Hindi kami nanalo. It's because of you.
Okay! So, sabi dito, kung nakakuha tayo ng 8 out of 10 na correct, merong mananalo na exclusive members ng Bini Global. So, nakailang score po tayo? Oh, we got 9 out of 10! So, may nanalong exclusive members. And abangan nyo lang po yung announcement sa official Bini socials for the winners and check your email.
Wow.
Thank you, Blooms, for participating sa Biniversity Around the World Quiz Show! Woo!
Yay!
Diba? Nabusog kami, may natutunan tayo, masaya tayo.
The prize is down here.
Yeah. Down
I
there.
don't know. Sa upuan? Sa ilalim?
Wow!
Hilain nyo, guys.
Okay, I will open.
Sa kay Maloy daw, storage.
Ala ka, Maloy daw.
Oh!
Oh!
Akala ko wire. Wire kasi nasa ilalim.
Wow! It's a lot.
Is this for us or for them?
For them.
You can see, these are the prizes. You have...
Wala, muntik na
Hoodie. Hoodie.
Ayun na sa isip ko.
It's hiding. It's hidden.
Grabe si Ate Ayo. Busog na busog. Guy, Ate Ayo, tayo ka. Ipakita. Beside you.
Yeah.
Oh, pakita nyo. Bigyan nyo. Pasa.
Dito ko yan. Sana may ganyan tayo.
Pilit ang pasa.
Oh, pasto. Ano to? Paper.
Oh.
Nightstick.
Then, meron din tayo. Can we open this?
Congratulations po sa lahat ng blooms. Okay, so first, go Stacks, unbox it.
Ay, ang cute.
Okay, first.
So first muna ay light stick.
Okay, this is the light stick. Ay, ito pa, oh.
Sticker.
Oh gosh, nahulog.
Bawal to buksan.
Ano to?
Face mask.
Ano nangyayari?
God. It's a mess.
Light stick.
Na may, included na
Photo.
Card.
Na one set of photo card.
8 solos. Congratulations!
Next, meron din ditong Blink Twice. Blink Twice hoodie. And meron din tayong beanie patches. Tiyere, ang cute nito oh. Ayokong maniwala eh. Karera. Ang tropiko. Ang cute!
meron din tayo nitong photo cards. Ito yung bago. Yung parang, ang treatment nito ay parang ano yan? Film.
No?
Oo.
Yes, abangan nyo lang yung... Wala na?
Tapos may group photo din to. Ito. Ano pa? Ito. Feeling ko mga sticker yan, di ba? Meron din stickers dito.
Plus, hindi lang merch yung napanalunan nila, meron silang Miniverse tickets na dalawa! 2 winners ng Miniverse tickets.
Sa mga bata, ha?
Kaya nga yung mga scalpers dyan, ha?
Grabe kayo, mga kayo, pati bata, hindi nyo na pinalagpas. Grabe kayo.
Kaya nga,
Oo,
benta-benta
yung
kayo dyan ng
17K.
17K.
17K for,
Seryoso ba yun?
Grabe naman.
Na, magsuka galing kagukok.
Bigyan nyo na naman sa mga bata yan.
Baby blooms.
Pag kayo
Kaya
nakaano
nga.
yan.
Ano ba yan? Maganda.
Okay, so, let's talk about World Tour na dahil malapit na tayo matapos. What do you feel? Na malapit na. Ilang months na lang? 2 months? 1.5. Malapit na yung World Tour.
I'm nervous.
It won't be easy, right? Yes, for sure. It will be tiring. Yes, it is. No rice. No rice?
No right. Wala bang
No rice.
walang kanin pa siya.
No.
And then, a lot of English, a lot of English words. Like,
I think
so hard.
you will help me with that.
Yeah. You're gonna nail it, Joanna. Right?
And, ano yung pinaka-excited kayo na city?
UK, Europe. The Europe tour.
In Europe.
Sa UK.
Yes, London. True.
Dubai chocolate.
Oo.
Excited na kayo ma-meet ang mga blues.
All over the world.
Siyempre guys, meron kami mga adjust sa mga performances namin. May mga ipe-perform kami na bago from our newest EP. And nakita na rin namin yung mga reactions nyo sa mga videos nyo na nakabili kayo ng tickets, right?
Yes. Huwag kayo bumili sa scalpers para masayang yung inano nila.
Yay! Ano kayo ngayon?
Yes, Blooms. We can't wait to see you all po. So, okay, rundown lang natin yung mga shows ulit natin. Sa May, we have Dubai, London, Toronto, and New York. Sa June, Washington, Boston, Rosemont, Houston, Dallas, Las Vegas, LA, Temecula, San Francisco, Seattle, and Vancouver. So, for tickets details po, just visit beanie.global or follow po. Just follow us, Beanie_PA sa lahat.
Yes.
And of course, thank you to all the Blooms and Baby Blooms who bought po their tickets po for our Miniverse. Thank you po for making the event sold out. Maraming salamat po. And sa mga nakikita namin umiiyak na bata sa TikTok.
Oo.
Babies, marami pa tayo mga miniverse na mangyayari. So, please don't
Yes.
cry.
Pero sa lahat po na nakabili, expect a fun fan meet exclusive po for Little Blooms with exciting games, booths, fun activities po, and a whole lot of surprises po. See you po sa April 27 at 1
See
a.m.
you. See you rin sa Fur Festival.
Hindi kami magpa-perform ha. Huwag kayo mag-expect.
Oh, hindi ka nag-perform. We're just
Yung
gonna
mga
show
aso
up.
po ang magpe-perform na.
Pusa naman. Pusang
Okay.
Yan, ganun.
Okay. Blooms.
Blooms, have you been enjoying our latest Beaniverse EP? Don't forget, we also have our Beaniverse EP merch. The Beaniverse EP Animal pins, posters, and mini album are still up for pre-order on beanie.global.
Oh my gosh! It's a bomber jacket!
Blooms from the US, Canada, UK, Europe, Australia, and Japan can also have avail, can also avail the beanie magnets and blink twice bomber jacket. So, what are you waiting for? Secure your favorites now.
Oh my gosh, I'm loving the bomber jacket.
The bomber jacket. When you wear it, you're gonna boom.
You're gonna boom down.
Here, you get the mic.
Thank you guys for joining our University Games. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Nabusog kami. May mga natutunan tayo. And don't forget to register your email po para makontak kayong winners po regarding your prizes. Nako, pag hindi nyo nakuha to, bahala kayo dyan. Amin na to. Malapit na ang World Tour. Kaya pray tayo for our safe travels dahil back-to-back ang ating pupuntahang cities po. And we will miss you guys. Sana wag nyo kami makalimutan. But we will be back, okay? We will be back.
See you, Blooms, after 2 months.
Bye, guys! We will update you naman. We miss you. Yeah. Good luck sa mga ganap sa buhay. Thank you.
Live your life, Bloom.
Mic drop.